What is up, Detector Nation? How we doing today? Well, here's the story. It's about 9 o'clock. I'm bored on my night off, and I need to close one more of my rings, my activity ring. All right, so I figured I'd come out here and be active and swig down some coconut juice. Chilled coconut juice. Keep your pipes moving, if you know what I mean. And we are going to deal with a dilemma here with my hated cam lock problem on the Equinox. And what we're going to do is we're going to pop in one of these plugger cam locks in. And I have searched all over YouTube and I have found absolutely nothing but one dude, Bazink or something like that from Australia, that has shown a tutorial on how to put one of these plugger cam locks on and take off this ridiculous cam lock that does absolutely nothing. And I was gonna put it on here, but I don't think I need that because this lock right here is doing just fine. But I'm gonna put it on this one down here because I gotta put this like garbage tape on it right there, and it's still wobbly and shot out. So we got to take that off, and it requires splitting it. Yeah, it's glued, so I've got to split it open, pull it out, and put the other one on, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I don't even know how to do it, but I got a garage, so I figure I can figure it out. It seems pretty simple. So stay tuned, and we'll get to it. Alright guys, so in the video that I saw, the guy that was going to be the guy that was taking his cam lock apart, he used like a big old chisel and put it in a vise and started banging on it to split it. And well, I'm not going to use no chisel and bang on my detector. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to take this Dremel and I'm going to cut along the seam until the thing splits open, because I don't plan to use this thing anymore anyway, since I got this totally dope plugger cam lock. I'm going to apply that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this thing apart, and we'll get back to this as soon as I'm finished. So stay tuned. And voila, we got it open. Boom. Huh? And then you got this little teeny ugly thing that goes inside there. This thing kind of goes in here like this. Boom. Right? And when you rotate this thing, it kind of like lifts it up and it pushes it down. And this is all that actually pushes on that, on the shaft right here. This little guy right here pushes on the shaft on the inside as you rotate this cam lock, and it's what tightens this shaft. But it's terrible, and basically it sucks. So we're gonna take all this crap off, and now you can remove this nonsense. All right, like I said, man, I just got this damn detector, and I can't believe that Minelab would have its customers have to go through this crap just to make their detector shafts solid. You know what I mean? Oh, Jesus. So anyways, after that, that was probably the hardest part. Then it's just this crap right here. So with this right here, the way the pluggers work is one is bigger than the other. This guy is gonna go on this side, this guy is gonna go to this side. So then all we gotta do is pop this in here. Let me open this thing up. Open this thing up. Now these bolts here are actually made out of plastic, so they won't cause any interference when you're trying to detect. If they were made out of actual screws, nuts and bolts, it might detect, you know, and pick up some readings. I don't think so, because I think the maximum reading that we get from the actual coil is about what, 8-9 inches, and I think this is way beyond that. But nevertheless, anyways, we're gonna pop this thing on right here. Okay, and tighten that thing up. Nice and smooth. And then we just need to take this other end right here. I don't even know if I need that anymore. That tape, whatever, I'll just put it in there. Put that in this end. I take it in to like I think I take it into slot number 5 for me. I use slot number 5, 4, 5, that's good. And then we just tighten this thing up like that. Woohoo, boy. Yes, sir. That's all she wrote right there. And that is absolutely tight. Yes, sir. No more of this nonsense right here. No more Tik-Tok, guys. So, I don't have any more Tik-Tok action on this end because of this bolt. Boom, boom, boom. Solid. And I don't have no more Tik-Tok action on this side because I got that plugger down there. Sweetness. And I'll clean up this little jiggity jig situation that I got right down there. Probably put some of this, I have some of this carbon fiber vinyl. I'll just put that over the top there, man, and I think we're good. So that was it. Quick and fast, pretty simple. If you got a Dremel, it's going to take a second to just cut off that old cam lock. If not, you could probably whittle your way around it with a little knife like this. I just ain't got the time nor the patience for that nonsense, and I sure as hell wasn't gonna go beating on my detector with no chisel, man. Come on now. Paid a lot of money for this, man. I'm not gonna go beat on it. So anyways, that's it, guys. Cam locks are installed. I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Thanks for tuning in. If you got anything out of this video that was beneficial to you, please do me a favor, guys. Just give me a quick little thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow. And I'm gonna be with you guys to the end with more useful content for Detector Nation. Thank you, guys. It's Park Ninja. I'll see you guys on the late.